So today's webinar is on Descript AI. So that's an AI that's used for video editing, and we'll take a look at some of the different features that it has and what you can do with it. So we'll first talk about what Descript AI is, and then we'll take a look at how it works and how you can access it online. So the cool thing about this is you don't have to download a big heavy editing app. It's all in the cloud in your browser. Then we'll talk about how it transcribes audio and video files and how it can correct mistakes and create realistic voiceovers. So first of all, what is Descript? So like I mentioned, it's an AI-powered video editor and audio editor. So it automatically transcribes your audio and video recordings, so you can edit them just like text. So let's say you're making a video and you want to edit it, but things like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, which are two fairly popular editing programs, are fairly intimidating. So what Descript aims to do is basically create like a readout of everything you said so that you can just go in and type any edits you want to make, and it'll make them automatically for you. So how does Descript work? Well, it uses AI to remove background noise, and you can improve your recording quality with just a click via a tool called Studio Sound. So instead of having to go out and buy like a really expensive microphone, you can just have Descript handle it for you. Another thing Descript can do is detect filler words like or like, and it can insert an AI voice to correct any mistakes you might make. Say you say a word wrong, and it can also completely delete those filler words so that it sounds like a very professional recording. You can replace video as well with a synthesized version of your own voice via its overdub feature, and it can also just use a generic AI voice as well. So how do you access Descript? Well, first of all, you can go to Descript's website. That's www.descript.com, or you can just Google Descript. And once you're on the Descript website, you can explore the different features and their pricing plans and some other information about the platform. So once you've accessed the Descript website, you can hit the sign up or get started button. And that'll take you through some instructions on how to create an account. So you would usually give your email and then set a password, and you agree to the terms of service. You can also see, like in this image here, you can sign up with your Google account as well. So once you've created your Descript account, you can register, you can sign in again to access video recordings that you have. So once you've logged in, you'll be able to access the Descript online platform and start using its transcription editing tools. Now this picture here looks fairly complicated, but the cool thing is you don't have to use all of this. So a lot of this will be hidden away, and you can bring it in if you want to, but you don't have to. So Descript uses advanced AI technologies to transcribe audio. So basically turn any video and audio recordings into text, and then you can correct mistakes. So let's say you said a word wrong, you can go in and just type the correct word, and Descript will automatically make it seem like you just said that word from the beginning. You don't have to re-record. And it uses that, and it does that by creating a realistic voiceover using AI. So Descript employs something called automatic speech recognition, or ASR, technology to transcribe the audio and video files. So the ASR algorithms will analyze your video file and what you've said and convert it into text. So the transcription process involves training an AI model on a lot of data to be able to interpret speech patterns and recognize natural human language, not like scripted language. So a useful feature of Descript is to correct things. So obviously the AI transcription isn't going to be perfect. So you can see in this picture here, the transcription has said weather, as in the weather outside. But obviously a more correct thing would be weather, like with WH. So what you can do is go in and just fix that, and Descript will behind the scenes work to get better and better at reducing these mistakes. So Descript also has real-time synchronization with, you can collaborate on a project so that multiple people can make corrections and it'll be quickly reflected on your end as well. So let's talk about voiceovers. So Descript's voiceover feature, also known as overdub, leverages a technology known as text-to-speech, or TTS. So a TTS algorithm generates synthetic speech by converting written text into spoken words. So Descript has created its own TTS system that's trained on big data sets to produce high quality and natural sounding voiceovers. So you won't have like a section in the middle of your video that sounds like it was spoken by a robot. It'll sound like you were saying it. So in terms of resources you can explore, Descript's website has information about features, pricing plans, and use cases. They also have tutorial videos and documentation so that if you're ever confused about a feature, you can always go in and read that information so that you can grasp it better. There's also the Descript Help Center, which has really detailed articles, guides, and frequently asked questions on using Descript. It has topics like importing and editing media, the collaboration features, how to export it so that you can share it with friends and family, and how to troubleshoot some common issues. There's also the Descript YouTube channel, which has a lot of video tutorials, has some demos to introduce you to new features, and some tips on how to improve your efficiency on working with it. The channel covers various aspects of the platform, including audio and video editing techniques, some advanced features if you really want to get into that, and integrations with other tools. So here's a short video on Descript. So yeah, hopefully you can see that Descript is a pretty powerful tool for video and audio editing. So if you'd like to cover this more after this webinar, you can go to cyberseniors.org or call the Cyber Seniors phone number for a one-on-one help session with some volunteer mentors. You can also ask more about this during our weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Thursdays.